Hello, Bachawan. Welcome to the another lecture of a science standard 6 chapter number 2nd component of food. Yeah. So in this chapter what we are going to complete the chapter. We are going to complete the vitamin full of the portion, even that next we can complete water and then we going to complete minerals. Clear? Water और mineral complete हो जाएंगे और vitamin का जो portion left है वो भी complete हो जाएगा. Clear? So in this session क्या क्या होने वाला है उसका ओवरव्यू मैंने आपको दे दिया. क्लियर? बट व्हाट वी हैड कंप्लीटेड इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर, लेट्स रिकॉल. We had completed the fats, carbohydrate, protein, some of the portion of vitamin. That the two type of vitamin, it's the water soluble and the fat soluble. We had already completed that fat soluble, and now we are in the portion of a water soluble vitamin. And it's the last and final portion, that B complex over there, B3 and the B12. Clear? तो नहीं देखा तो फटाफट जाके प्लेलिस्ट में देख लीजिए फटाफट. क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज एक्चुअली B3 विटामिन? B3 विटामिन इज आल्सो नोन एज व्हाट? नियासिन. यस बच्चा बाटे, नियासिन. सो हाउ दे गोना हेल्प यू? Even that when you observe that each and every vitamin portion, you can find the similar things. Clear? So in that B3 there is a similar like a B1. What's yes, B3 is similar like a B1, that it's essential for the healthy skin, then proper functioning of the digestive and the nervous system. Yeah. If there is a lack of that vitamin B3, then what going to be a cause? Yes, bacha party, pellagra. Yes, pellagra. Pellagra means what? It's affect on the skin, even that what's the digestive and the nervous system. And if you want to, if you go through in your notes and watch the B1 also, it's also similar like a B1. Clear bacha bati? What's the name is that? Pellagra. Clear? Now sir, if you want to increase or if you want to fulfill our deficiency, which things we can eat? No need to eat the medicine. You have to just eat what? Whole cereals, even that what? Potato, tomato, meat, fishes, etc. Clear bacha bati? Okay, so there is then after there is an B4, B5, B3, B6. Many of the vitamins are there, but we are directly jump through the B12. Clear? Because it's not your level to understand. Clear? लेवल तो है लेकिन उसे अभी मैं अपग्रेड कर रहा हूँ. जैसे कि मोबाइल है, इफ देयर इज अ किटकैट वर्जन है तो डायरेक्टली क्या मार्शमेलो या ओरियो पे चला जाएगा? नहीं ना. मतलब क्या होगा? वर्जन धीरे धीरे अपडेट होगा. मीन्स व्हाट? इफ फर्स्ट वी आर डाउनलोडिंग फॉर द आफ्टर किटकैट देयर इज नेक्स्ट वर्जन, आफ्टर मार्शमेलो देयर इज नेक्स्ट वर्जन. धीरे धीरे एक एक वर्जन डाउनलोड होगा, आपका मोबाइल अपडेट होता जाएगा, उसके बाद आप एक स्टेज पे पहुंचोगे ना. It's simple like that. This is the first upgrade portion. Clear? So it's going to help in the further also. Just twin with us. Now there is a vitamin B12. Sir, vitamin B12? Yes, बच्चा बॉडी क्या है ये? तो गौर से देखिए इसे. It's a cyanocobalamin. Yes, बच्चा बॉडी. It's what? It's a cyanocobalamin. When you speak this word, it's going to be exercise your cheeks. Yeah, मजा आएगा. Cyanocobalamin. Cyanocobalamin. Speak. मेरे साथ बोलिए. Cyanocobalamin. It's look like you are comes from the foreigner and you can speak cyanocobalamin. Clear? So how it going to be a help? You know very well that in the blood there is many of the things like WBC, RBC, platelets, many of the things are available in the blood that we will go on the further studies. When you are in the further standard, you can understand betterly that. RBC means it's the simple that red blood cells, and WBC is the simple most that white blood cell. Sir, white blood cell means white color का होगा क्या? No, बच्चा, but it's simple like a immunity. It's going to be a fight against the disease. Even that if there is an injury to your hand, तो वहाँ पे भी वो help करेगा. लेकिन वहाँ पे सिर्फ अकेला white blood cell help नहीं करेगा. Even that there is a platelets also going to be help. How that in the further standard we gonna understand better. Clear? So this is for the suspense and science is amazing thing. यहाँ से पढ़ते रहोगे, you are gonna fall in love with this chapter. Clear बच्चा बारे? और ये सब्जेक्ट से इक्स मोहब्बत जैसी फीलिंग आएगी. Yes, heart to heart connection. Okay, so it help in the formation of RBC. Yes बच्चा बारे. In the RBC, if you want to create the RBC, red blood cell, we have to use the B12 cyanocobalamin. Clear? So sir, if there is a white blood cell नहीं होगा, if there is a lack of white blood cell in our body, means what? It's create the anemia. Yeah. You had heard the name that anemia means if there is a lack of the blood or we can say that the doctor is saying what, that your body is not generating the blood. आपकी body blood generate नहीं कर रही है. So in the advertisement also you had seen that one little girl says to the particular each and every person that thank you uncle. Then uncle is saying that why? Because uncle you had donated the blood, so we are alive, still alive. Uncle saying why bacha? They are saying that uncle I have anemia. और anemia मतलब क्या होगी उसके अंदर, and even that small child is going to be explained because some of the doctors are giving you the proper description about that disease कि वो क्या है, क्योंकि वो एक ऐसा जनरेशन गैप है या एक ऐसा स्टेज है कि जहाँ पे आपको जितना स्टोर करेंगे ना उतना आप जान पाओगे. इवन दैट स्मॉल चाइल्ड कैन स्पीक and learn more than 50 language in a time, but there is one condition that you also must know that things. अगर आप बच्चे को आप लैंग्वेज सीखने भिजवा दो कहीं पे भी तो सीख जाएगा. इवन दैट you know very well that in the foreigner or in the any of the Europe country, the small child can speak English. How? Because their surrounding climates are all the person are speaking English. If we are looking in the Gujarat, Una or any of the places, what we are looking that small child can speak Gujarati, Hindi. Why? Because the surrounding climate are all the person can speak Gujarati and Hindi, so they can understand each and everything. Clear? So the capture capacity of the small child is very good. Clear? So what we are at the point of the anemia. Anemia means what? It not going to be a generate your blood by your body. आपकी body है ना red blood cell को generate नहीं कर पाएगी. So after every 3 months आपकी body के अंदर blood चढ़ाया जाता है. Clear? So it's going to be a lack of what blood, then we can say the anemia. तो सर ये तो बहुत serious problem है. Yes बच्चा पार्टी, this is very serious problem. अगर blood नहीं चढ़ा तो इंसान मर भी सकता है. सर उसे fulfill करने के लिए, so to present that there is a liver, egg, milk, feces, many of the things we can eat, so we can get the proper nutrients and by that we can secure from this disease. Clear? So by observing all the things or by observing the things from which we can get the proper energy or proper nutrients, you can go through the example of each and every portion, that vitamin, fats, carbohydrate, हर एक चीज में जाओ. You can observe it that mostly prefer that milk, egg, fish, meat, green vegetable, grams, cereals. Clear? Means these are the main thing that which we are eating day to day life. From that we are getting what? All type of nutrients. Clear बच्चा? So is it any one component, from any one component we can get more than one nutrients? क्या ऐसी कोई चीज है? एक से ज्यादा component दे सकते हैं. सोचो, पोस्ट करके 2 मिनट के लिए सोचो. So there is that milk, egg, fish, any of the things if you take the particularly milk and the egg. Clear? So they both provide what? Fats, means energy, even that they are providing the protein also. Clear? Bodybuilding food. Even that what? If you are taking the milk and egg, there is a huge amount of vitamins also present. Means what? From milk, egg, fish, green vegetable, we are getting all the things. Clear? So you have to just eat this type of thing. In 1 day or 2 days in a month, you can eat the fast food, but no need to eat fast food routine. Clear? आपकी बॉडी में इफेक्ट करेगा, क्या क्या इफेक्ट करेगा हमने ऑलरेडी स्टडी किया हुआ है. Clear बच्चा बाटे? So take a screenshot or write in the book. Now we are going to further that the mineral and the water. So there is another slide about the mineral and the water. We had not written here. First of all, we're going to understand what is the mineral. Yeah. So to identify the mineral, there is a 5 thing. First, this is extra knowledge. एक्स्ट्रा होना चाहिए तो ये हमें कुछ साइंस के बारे में पता चलेगा, बिकॉज साइंस इज अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ सी, बहुत बड़ा दरिया है, जितना जाओगे उतना ही मजा आएगा. इट्स एडवेंचरस. क्लियर? सो व्हाट प्रैक्टिकल करना जरूरी है साइंस के अंदर. सो मिनरल इज अ सिंपल दैट इफ यू ऑब्जर्व एनी ऑफ द सॉलिड सब्सटेंस. क्लियर? सो मिनरल इज व्हाट solid. Clear? Even that what it's inorganic, or we can say that solid but what natural occurring. Natural occur. Clear बच्चा पार्टी? From the nature, if we find any of the solid, clear, like if you think about the graphite. In the pencil there is a lead, and that lead comes from what? Graphite. And graphite is one type of solid thing. Clear? And it comes from the nature. So nature's complete, solid complete, nature complete. After that what? Yes, bacha party. After that what we in the nature, it's an inorganic. Inorganic. Sir, what is inorganic? It's a new word for us. Inorganic is a simple that it is a non-man-made. मतलब कि इंसान ने नहीं बनाया, कुदरती हमें मिला हुआ हो, inorganic substance हो, फिर organic ना हो. After that, what is that? It's a perfect chemical formula. That chemical formula. And the specific atomic structure. This is for your knowledge, for your information. If you find any of the nature substance and which is in the solid, clear, and inorganic, not the man-made, kudrati mila hai, clear, that suppose that matrosis comes from the space. And if you found in on the land, it's a solid, even that naturally, even that it's what? Inorganic. Metro is inorganic. If we find any of the chemical test, after the finding the chemical test, what we had find that particular unique chemical formula. Clear? कि उसकी chemical formula fix होगी. Like if you are thinking about this chemical formula of sugar, then it's what? C6H11O6. Clear? Sugar की chemical formula क्या है? 6H11O6. Clear? So we can say the sucrose. And specific atomic structure means their structure is going to be fixed and what specific unique होना चाहिए, मतलब जो ऐसा ही structure है. And these all the portion you can understand in the further level, that what is atomic structure, what is atom, what is chemical formula. Chemical formula, this is one type of word, chemical formula. Clear? So if you want to write, it is good for the information. So this is the minerals like a calcium, potassium, zinc, iodine. These all things are what? Mineral. Clear? So it's going to be a what? It's going to be a help in what? Growth of your body. Even that is going to be a functioning of your body, and it's going to be help in the good health. So we can write what? Required for proper functioning. Clear? After that, normal growth. Why we are saying that if there is if we are eating iodine salt, iodine namak khane se ye problem दूर हो जाएगी. Why we are saying that? because in the iodine salt there is a presence of mineral like an iodine. Clear bacha party? And also what? And good health. Clear? This is L. You know very well the spelling of health. Now, next, how gonna help that? It's gonna help to need to build bones and teeth. Clear? And coating of the blood. If there is a minerals, so our blood coating is going to be properly, even that our body, teeth, and all the bones are going to be strong. Clear? So what's that? Needed to build bone. Clear? Even that teeth, bone and teeth both are the same portion of white calcium. It comes from what? Calcium. Clear? After that, formation of blood. So it's a form how the blood is going to be formed. It comes from the B12. So while we are eating the vegetables and the fruits or meats, clear, vegetable and non-vegetable means vegetarian, non-vegetarian thing. While we are eating, we are getting all type of minerals. Clear? Needed to build bones and teeth, formation of a blood. After that, what? Coating of blood, coagulation of a blood. And many more things is going to be a help to us. Clear? Now, for the proper need of it, if we need in the small amount, these minerals we can find from what? Calcium, sodium, iron. Clear? So what? Calcium, iron. Clear? Even that sodium, etc. Clear? Now, it's the next we're gonna study about what? Water, and we know very well that how the water is important to our life and even that various life form. Clear bacha bhai? So we know that our body, in our body, 70% there is a water and 30% there is a blood. Like on the earth, in the earth there is 70% the land and the 30% there is a land. 30% land and 70% are water. Only 1 to 2% there is a sweet water. All other what? Salty water is there. Clear bacha bhai? So for that, our body is made up of many of the material particles. Clear? But mainly there is a water. But 70% of water. Clear? So formation of any of the things, water is very needed to us. Clear? So while let's what's the thing are that? First of all, understand that for the life process, water is very needed. Various life process. If there is no water, there is impossible to live the life. Even that we are taking not directly water. Directly we are taking, like if you want to drink the water, we can drink it. But indirectly also we are getting the water. Sir, how? If you are eating the watermelon, in the watermelon there is already water are present. If you are taking the lemon, there is a water present in the lemon. If you take any of the vegetable or fruits and if you crush it, mash it, you can observe it that your hand is full of the water. पानी उसमें आ जाएगा. Clear? That ककड़ी ले लो, crush करो. You can see the water in your hand. Even that if you cut the tomato, on that time there is water also available. Okay. Now, sir, why there is a need of water? So, water not provide us any of the nutrients. Yeah, it's provide the minerals. Yeah, but sir, fats, protein, वो सब sir provide तो नहीं करता. So, but when you are eating the things without the water, how it going to be digest? Like if we are taking the example of the mixture, If we place all the things like chiku, banana, all the things, and we're gonna mix it. Clear? So after the mixing, what we had observed, एकदम हार्ड पोर्शन आपको एक मिलेगा. क्लियर? एकदम चिकना. बट सर, is it we can eat or eat that thing, or we can use it? No. If you are taking the dal and cook the dal at your home, after the mix it, you can obtain the hard portion. So your mother is placing water. Why? It's going to mix it. So water is useful for taking the nutrients. Clear? वो digest होने के लिए काम आएगा. Even the taking the nutrients from the food. So it is very needed our life. Even that, water is also needed to remove our waste things, waste material which is on our body, clear, in our body, that in the form of urine and in the form of sweat, पसीना और urine के form में निकाल देगा. Clear? So if there is a lack of water, so yes, in the summer season, most of the person, there is a lack of the water in their body. So what they happen? क्या होगा उन्हें? This is the dehydration. Yes, बच्चा, but you had heard that word, dehydration. Dehydration means what? Lack of water in your body. Clear? So your mother is giving you the glucose in the summer season. Why? Or a doctor also saying that in the summer season you have to drink as much as more water. Clear? So why? Because of the dehydration. If there is a dehydration, then there is a lack of the water in your body, and it's going to be difficult to us. Sir, if there is a acute dehydration, मतलब कि थोड़े समय के लिए भी, even that for a 1 week also there is a dehydration process occur to our body, तो क्या हो सकता है? Continuously एक हफ्ता, एक महीने तक dehydration हुआ तो there is dangerous to our health also. The person going to be a death. Yeah. So water is very useful to our body and very useful to our life. So save water, save life. Now we gonna, what we had speak, that we are gonna write it over here. Clear? So let's watch. Okay, bacha wadi. So we had written here that water, about the important thing about the water. Even that mineral also written in the previous slide. Go back and write it from your book. Clear? There is a lack of this space, so I had drawn here this portion. Clear? So if you are studying by the Sufyan survey and the person who are not interested in science, यार दिल जान साइंस पे लग जाएगी, आपको इक्स मोहब्बत हो जाएगी साइंस से, क्योंकि होशियार स्टूडेंट तो कहीं से भी पढ़ लेंगे, बट इफ यू आर द वीक स्टूडेंट और यू नो वीक स्टूडेंट्स, तो उसे बताओ साइंस के साथ लगा हो जाएगा. क्लियर? आज का आप सबके लिए एक सवाल है आपकी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर. देखिए आज हमने कौन कौन से टॉपिक कंप्लीट किए. ऑप्शन ए विटामिन B12 एंड B3, ऑप्शन बी वाटर एंड मिनरल, ऑप्शन सी A एंड B बोथ, या ऑप्शन डी एक भी टॉपिक कंप्लीट नहीं किया है. क्लियर? और ये सवाल है आपके लिए बहुत सारे नॉलेज के साथ. हाय, जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ. ट्विन विथ अस बाय दिस चैप्टर. Stay at home. Till then, do whatever you want to do, man. But don't trouble your parents. Goodbye.